Hunbecker Peak Performance Training. Today's exercise, rotary stability pattern, bird dog exercise, okay? Now what this exercise entails is getting into a quadruped position, hands directly underneath your shoulders, knees directly underneath your hips, toes pulled up, locked in. Not a huge anterior tilt, not a huge rounding of the back, just a nice stable trunk. Remember, what we're trying to do is train that core reflex stabilization. So engaging the trunk, protecting the spine as we reach out. Opposite arm, opposite leg. We don't reach up, we reach straight out, hold, and what we're going to do and what we like to do is come back, touch knee to elbow, drive straight back out, and hold. We like to hold for about a 3 to 5 count. We like to work maybe 6 or 8 on one side, work on the other side. Stage different exercise, maybe a little bit more difficult, is getting on the stability ball. And what we could do from here, or if somebody that has some knee problems, doesn't like their knees on the mat, we can get in this position, thumbs touching, feet close together, and then what we're going to do is we're just going to lift up again, opposite arm, opposite leg, touch down soft. Now you don't have to pick up your knee off the ground, so with this one, we like to just alternate. With that knee on the ground, sometimes we get too much hip shift. We can't focus on stabilizing that trunk. And then the last one, what we can do is we'll get this bow suit out here. Get it nice and set. And first stage with the bow suit would be hands and knees on the ball, toes on the ground. We're going to reach out. Touch the ball, pause, reach back out, all while maintaining that trunk stability. And then what we can do to make it a little bit more difficult is then we can pull those toes off the ground so we don't have that plant leg, and do the same thing from there. Touch, and work through that pattern. That pattern is going to be pretty challenging. All right, now remember what the goal is. The goal is fire everything, engage through your trunk, get that core reflex stabilization, protect that spine. All right, use this exercise as an addition to your dynamic warm-up. As an exercise after you do your push and your pull and your leg exercise in your normal circuit training or whatever, jump in and go through a stability pattern, all right? Make sure we're moving through the patterns well, we're stabilizing our spine, we're protecting our back, and we're getting a lot more positive benefits out of our exercise. Thank you so much. Have a great week.